Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all having a wonderful day so far. So in today's video on how to go from $0 to $100,000 using AI web agency. In today it's episode 6, finishing your first client site. And well, in today's video we'll be going over adding a domain for your site and optimizing it, making sure all the pages have a working link. Further finishing the client sites, just a few landing page examples and a few possible pricing ideas for your first clients. So let's jump right into adding a domain. Last time we were busy adding let me just make this smaller. We were busy making, adding our domain. Let's quickly go back there. This is for our own site. Let's just go to settings and see if it is working yet. No. But like I said, sometimes when you get a domain, it can take up to 48 hours. So let's quickly just check that out. Let's just add that domain, webcraftagency.co. Let's just add it quickly. Add domain. Also add that one. And there we go. Sometimes you might have to add just 2 records. But we'll quickly see. Okay, well, there we go. Like I said, if it doesn't work, just sometimes wait a bit. Authorize domain. So it is fairly simple. Let's just connect it quickly. And connect. There we go. It is connected. Can take up to 30 seconds to appear. There we go. So it is connected. Let's just make sure it is our website, our own website. Home. That's the default. Let's just check what is an additional error. I already need that page. Okay, link domain. So if you go and get your domain, it doesn't work instantly. Just remember, wait a bit, and then, most likely a day, then you'll be able to link it successfully. And now we have our domains here, as you can see. Let's quickly check it out. Let's go to sites. It is connected. We will still be adding a favicon. A favicon, just, if you want to know what it is, it's that little image there at the top. We'll add that a bit later. Let's just click save and see what we are working with our site. So let us go. Not sure if it will open the correct link here at the top. webcraftagency.co/home. That is our link. There we go. It is working. So if you want to get some clients and you show them a example site, I don't recommend that you build a 100% a site for them. If you do the approach of doing the work beforehand. In the next video, I got a load of scripts that I will be going through over and giving it to you. DM scripts, email scripts, calling scripts, and just a few ideas on getting clients. But then you don't have to create a whole new Airify account for them just yet. First, I recommend just going to, just using your own account like we did, and just create new website like we did with the plumbing site. We'll be, just finishing that site up a bit. Let us go into that. Then you can basically just take a screenshot if you want on your phone, on the computer. Just take a screen recording of this is an example of how your site can look. For example, this one. Obviously this doesn't have a link attached to it, so you can just take a screenshot and then, or a screen recording, maybe a Loom. Loom is free software. I'm actually using Loom right now. There's a paid version and there's a free version, but you can just use the free version and create a short Loom. And just basically, like I'm doing right now, just go on their site, Absolute Plumbing, with the unfortunate spelling mistake in there. Then you can just go down and just show them basically this is what your website can look like, and most likely they'll be interested because they can already see, wow, it looks amazing, it's really professional. And then if they agree, then obviously then you can make an account for them. And just a quick short Loom video. You can add it in in the email, in the SMS, whatever, or you can just show them in person or on a Zoom call. There's a lot, I'll be showing you all those scripts and stuff in the next video or the video after that. So let's just quickly improve our current website. Let's just click on edit. But what I like about Airify is you don't really need to, to be honest, you don't really need to edit the website too much. It's already basically built for you. Well, just if the company you are building a site for has a few different services, then obviously just change the services and stuff like that. But most of the time, the website is basically already good to go. Just add a few things. Here at the top, sometimes this, let's just see if it fits. That button isn't correctly. You can just move that button, or you can just delete it. It's up to you. I personally don't really like a button there too much. Now it's a bit cleaner, but you can move it as well. There we go. As you can see, it just looks better. Let's just, well, here, like I said, if the company has licenses, like let's say a law firm or even a plumbing firm, they all need to have licenses. Or if they have won an award or anything really, they can add it here. It always looks really good. Like best plumber, voted best plumber in whatever city in 2020 or whatever. Just like a few nice licenses or certificates or something that they won, just to add credibility. You don't have to add it here at all if they have it. Let's just remove this whole section. And for video, you can have a short video that they created about their business, how it works, their story, or anything like that. It's always a good idea to try and ask the business to create a few personalized photos and videos for their company, especially our team. Then you can add like a little section here about the owner and just some text. To add text, you just click on plus, then paragraph. Now you can add a little bit of text about that specific person and just make it more personalized. And obviously you can use their real photos and their real name. Otherwise you can just, use fake ones in the beginning. But most of the time the actual business owner would like to have his face on their site to show to his friends, and it will just look better and more trusted if it's the actual person. But if they don't send you the photos or if they don't want to, obviously they don't have to. FAQs, and to get this map to work correctly, you should just once you create the account, then right after you make the RFI account, then you can just type in the exact address and it will automatically give them the exact address. Right now this is I just made a fake address in the beginning when I made this account, so that's why it's New York. Here at the bottom, you can also add their logo there. Let's quickly do that. It's always a good idea. Upload. That's the transparent one. Or doesn't look too clean because it since this is blue as well, so you can most of the time just go for like a darker one, or we can just make this entire section maybe white. Let's see how that looks. Or even black. I won't say black. But just make it darker again, so we can actually see where the text. Okay, this entire section. Let's just go down. We just want to change the color, so let's make the color actually black. Same with that one. Black. Black. Color. Let's just make it black, because we will be making it white, the whole background. There we go. And as you see, it looks a lot better. Let's just add our email in here quickly. It is a fake email, but still. Let's just add it for, the sake of this website design that we are currently doing. You can also, if you make the accounts after they have agreed to it, and you just go to settings, I'll show you. I'll just add the address, then I'll save it quickly and show you. You can have all these things like logo and email, phone address automatically inserted if you just do it from settings. I'll show you right now. Just add address, and let's click save. Here you can actually edit like the content and stuff like title. Let's say you, well, to explain this, let's say you WhatsApp the link or message the link or whatever to your clients. Well, if a business message their link, it's that link that will pop up at the top. Well, let's say it's www.absoluteplumbing.com, then, well, most of the time WhatsApp will just have this short little link that's right above it and a photo of the business. That's that specific link. It's called a meta title and a meta description. So we can have that plumbing, well, Absolute Plumbing. Absolute Plumbing. And yeah, just a short description of the company. Let's just ask ChatGPT to quickly create a short description. Please create a short 2-sentence or 1-sentence description of Absolute Plumbing. There we go. Something like that. Obviously, just don't, well, read it beforehand. This is just a case study example that I'm doing. I didn't even read what it said. I would recommend that you do. You can go in here and add a few keywords, add the author if you want to. You don't have to. The social image, definitely add your link there. All these things you can add if you want to. It will definitely help with SEO, but you don't have to do it. There we go. Our homepage looks actually pretty nice. All these links, just make sure it actually works. So to check if it works, let's just go back. Just click on it, just click there on the navigation menu. And yeah, let's say, home. What does that exact button do? Go to page, then home. There we go. Really simple. You can make it open in a new tab, but I'll most of the time just let it open. Well, just change the current tab that you're in. Home. Okay, well, same with about. It's going to that weird section. Well, maybe that might be go to page. Contact us. That is that weird page. Let's just make it the multi-purpose page. Services. Let's just quickly check what that specific section actually is. Let's just click save. But as you can see, well, Aerify basically built the entire site already for me. You can just go and personalize it a bit for your clients. You don't even have to. If your client says he really likes the design, you can just leave it as is. But let's quickly just check out our other pages. But yeah, that's what I like about Aerify, since it basically builds the entire business for you. Website for you. You don't really have to focus too much. Most of the time, your clients will be very happy with just their design that's already built. Link in bio page. You can even delete one of these, but this you can give this to your client as a extra because it just looks nice. We just open all. Let's check our contact us page quickly. And to edit. Well, like I said earlier, if you want to have the logo and like email and all those things already, already inserted in your website before you actually having to do it, it's just in settings. Let me just open in a new tab. It's in settings. Let's just wait for it to load. But it's in settings. Then you just go to, I believe it's called company, business profile or company profile, one of those. And then you can have the logo already inserted there and the email and stuff. So if you create the account for your customer, just go and enter those things beforehand before starting business profile. If you come here, then you can actually just insert the logo here. You can have their phone number, email address, all these things, the physical address, and just click save afterwards. You can, you don't really have to type in these things. You can if you want to. Maybe fill it in for your client. It won't really matter too much. You can, just change all these things. You can set up save call settings. So that means, well, it's the missed call. Yeah, if they get a missed call, then automatically the software will send a message back. Hi, this is. Then just change that. Click save. And it's all these little extra things that you can actually do for your clients that really can set your business apart. Just click save when you're done, and then it will be automatically inserted. Let's quickly check the contact. Well, we don't have it in there since this is actually our web design. This is the account webcraft, so I'm not going to save that now. Then all the logos of the website design page will also change and stuff. So let's go on. Let's just see our contact us page. So once the contact us page has loaded, let's check it out. Firstly, I recommend changing the logo if you didn't do it in the settings part already. Let's just add our logo. There we go. You can also make this white as well, whatever color you want. I'll just change it because that light blue, you can't really see the logo that clearly if it's as a white background as well. So let's firstly change. Don't worry about that button, because if you open the normal one, then as you can see, it is perfectly in place. Let's just change the colors of those buttons to black. Also remember just to change the icon, because if you go to mobile, then there's an icon. And now we can make this entire section white. White's always cleaner for me personally. You don't have to agree with me. And then all the buttons, just make it that color of just change that. All the buttons, then you can just change those buttons to blue. Whatever your color is of your logo, I recommend having a one color. I'm not gonna change it too much. I'll search for that color now, but just make sure it's the correct color. All these FAQs. Where's the color option? I believe it's. Let's just see if we can actually find it. We can change the FAQ type. As you can see, this one looks kind of clean. Let's just see where we can actually change the color option. Oh, okay. So you just go to advanced color option and make it that blue color as well. And then just add your email, your addresses, all those things there. Connect the social media if you want to. Well, if they have social media pages, most of the time they have a Facebook page and maybe an Instagram. I doubt they'll have Twitter or Instagram, but you can just click on it and just go to general. Here at the bottom, just paste their logo or their link of their Facebook page in there. And if they don't have a Twitter, just delete that. Let's just go up. Just click on that trash can. Now it is deleted. Contact us, blah blah blah. You can I would recommend just changing that up to if you have a ChatGPT account already and it's logged in, then it will already have the data of your email address, your physical address, and the phone number and stuff. You can just ask them to you can copy and paste that entire paragraph. Just copy and paste it there and ask ChatGPT to improve the text and to insert their contact details. You can also use Airify's AI. Let me just quickly show you. Click there. Click there, AI, improve writing and simplify writing, make shorter. You can use this as well. And just for your form, you'll need to connect a form. I don't think we have a form created yet. Form 1 we have, but it will be it's our form of, there we go. This is the form we actually made for our web designer company, but if you created a form for their company, creating a form is the exact same every single time. So it's pretty simple, and then just add your email and stuff there too. And let's click save. Our logo is already there. Our contact details, just make sure that those contact details are in there too. But not right now. Let's check the mobile view. Maybe on mobile view, you can just have this text white I'll show you, or just remove it. Well, to change the text white, color, well, this is bold. Just want to show you, so it will actually change if I click on bold. And let's just make sure all of those and make it white as well. Let's just check if it looks a bit better. I don't really think this, well, the text on a photo doesn't really look that clean, so I'll maybe even remove this whole section. Let's just copy that. Here you can advanced. It's not visible on mobile, that whole section, so it just looks a lot cleaner. As you can see, let's just check where that button is leading to. Schedule appointment, general, go to page, go to open pop-up. The pop-up is also our form. To check the pop-up, go to layers, pop-up. Let's just well, just delete one of those. Form and form 1. Then, well, form 1, contact us, and there we go. So it will pop up automatically. You can just play around with their sites, play around with these things, whatever you want, whatever the client wants. If you click save, now it will, if they click on that schedule appointment, boom, it will pop up. Well, this information, you can obviously change this in the form page as well. But if you just spend an hour or so just figuring out the whole platform, you'll see it's relatively pretty simple. Then you can most likely fulfill a client's website in about half an hour, since Airify basically builds the entire thing already for you. Let's click go back. That's the contact us page. This video might get quite long. Let me just check. Well, we've done that, finishing the sites, we're still busy with that, landing page examples. I think I'm going to leave these two for our next video about scripts and stuff. Just go back. Okay, well, we have done this one, their calendar. You could set up a calendar, just go to calendar, like I showed you earlier. Then just connect calendar, same way you'll connect a form. Multi-purpose is just a general page, most likely for their services and stuff like that. If you just edit it, you can just type in their services. And then a thank you page is after they have booked a call or whatever, if they want to sell something. But like for a plumbing business, law firms, accounting, they won't really sell their, or most businesses, most normal business, not e-commerce businesses, will actually have just a contact us button. They won't really sell anything on their website. So multi-purpose, you can actually just use this, and well, I'll add all the services there on it. Let's see. And it's pretty easy to create a page as well. Well, if you go back, just there at the top, new page, or create a page, and you have another page. So that is fairly simple. Multi-purpose, you can have a few, well, let's say you want to add services, for example. Let's call this, I'm not going to do all the writing now. Services, you can even then add a photo. Let's say it's plumbing. Let's quickly just get a photo. Let's see what AI can maybe do for us. Plumber fixing pipes. Then you can check, well, what you want here. Let's go for most of the time it's like these animations, so this might not really be the best example. I would have just used a normal one of the photos that's already on Airify, not AI, because sometimes they can mess it up, and we only made one now. But let's see, maybe it worked, maybe it didn't. That's actually really nice, and it is a 100% AI generated photo, so you can never get into trouble or stuff like that. But you can also, there we go, that's actually a really clean photo. I'm quite surprised. But you can also go here, upload from media, because Airify has basically all, well, not all the photos, but a lot of photos. And just search in plumbing or services. You can use any one of these. There's a lot. And that's just for plumbing. You can have tools, pipes, anything related. You can also just, and let me just go back. You can also just use Google if you want to. A great tip for just boosted SEO, if you just add a alternative text there, like, don't overcomplicate it, just like plumber and their plumber in their town or whatever. You can do that for every photo. That will automatically boost their rankings. You don't have to do it. You can. And you can set up the total size of the photo if you want to. And let's say they have a few services. This is just one service. Maybe, well, I would add just a heading here. Let's make it full. One column. We just want to add our heading. And let's just make our services. And then here you can have your service one. Don't name it service one, name it the actual service, just a short description. Then you can also just, let's copy this entire thing and just click there on copy. Then you can have your service 2, different photo, rinse and repeat, how many services they even have. You can just add it, service 3, different photo and different text. You can add a lot of text there if you want to really explain the service. You can add a button. Let's say they want to, inquire about, then you can just click here on, you can add bullet points there. You can have a short video to explain it. If they have created videos, you can have reviews there in the bottom. You can have a count. Well, I wouldn't really mess with countdown timers and stuff. If it's especially for a client's service-based business site, like most of the business you'll be targeting. You can have, there's a lot of stuff here, and you can just play around. As you can see, you can create sections as well, templates. But that's it. That's it for now. You can, the FAQs, you can delete this as well. Also, what I like to do sometimes, let's say instead of this gray, you can obviously have it just change the color to, white's always clean, white and black, not really black in this situation. But you can also use a photo in the background. Let's see what we can do. Let's go for backgrounds. Well, you can use a normal photo as went out. Well, I slided my fingers on my mouse. But you can also, let me show you. I'm already busy with it. Well, I really hope today's video just helped a bit more to explain the website building process of Airify. Well, as you can see, it's pretty simple. It's relatively simple. In the beginning, I recommend just building a few sites for yourself, for your clients and stuff. Just do it yourself. Be a one-man show or with a partner, whatever. Then in time, you can hire a team to help you do it, and you can, especially on Fiverr and stuff like that, you can hire a team for really cheap. But I would recommend start hiring a team once you start getting lots of clients. In the beginning, just focus on understanding the business model, understanding the whole Airify application, and then then obviously start focusing most of your time on lead generation, getting more clients. Once you have a lot of clients coming in almost every day, depends on how you run your marketing, then hire someone and just outsource this entire website building process so you can actually handle scale. And at the end of the day, if you watched my previous videos, I recommend in time running ads, especially if you have a great offer. A great offer would be, it's 100% free website design, but use the word design. So then you can show them the website design. You don't offer them a free website. You just show them the website for free, and then obviously they will like it because it's a very professional site and it just looks really great, and it will definitely improve their business, just getting more clients, getting more clients, just looking better, and just a more branded approach for their business. And you can also set up their Google My Business profile and stuff like that, just to really help their business. So at the end of the day, it is basically a no-brainer for them to get a website from you, especially if you have a great offer. But to you can also add an image here. Let me just show you. Let's just go to, well, you can use, let's just go and get, let's say, plumbing again. It's not really a clean looking photo. This one might work there, but well, just change the text to white, and then you can actually just change the, well, just make it faded, stuff like that. Just, and then you can have photos in your background as well. Don't make it I'll definitely make it faded so you can actually see what's going on here. And let's just check. You can have a, well, just a multi-purpose. That's not really the best wording. I'd recommend making this like an Our Services tab. Oh, I didn't save now, but well, you guys remember what I did. It just didn't save because I actually accidentally went back on my mouse. Just save every now and then. Don't forget to save. And yeah, well, that's it for this video. I hope this video helped, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day further. Please let me know in the comments what I can help you with. What I can help you with. If you have any questions, if I should make a specific detail about something, a video about something. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.